Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Andy Ternila. Now I demonstrate to you how to sharpening knife using sharpening steel. And its different angle and positions. First, 0 degrees, pre-hot or 45 degrees, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90. Then let's proceed to sharpening knife using sharpening steel. First, hold the steel, then put the knife edge on the tip, then begin honing gently. Repeat 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And then switch and same motion. 1, 2, 3. Now let's try to cut thin.